Beneath our feet, in gardens, forests, and even cities, lies a world teeming with life, often unnoticed. Ants, these seemingly insignificant creatures, are in fact master architects, complex societies, and vital players in Earth's ecosystems. This investigation probes the hidden depths of their existence, challenging our preconceptions and revealing the extraordinary lives of these tiny, formidable beings. Ants, members of the Formicidae family, are among the most widespread and successful insects on Earth. They occur worldwide, adapting to nearly every terrestrial environment. However, their numbers and species diversity are most concentrated in tropical and subtropical regions, a testament to their evolutionary success across diverse climates. The sheer variety within the Formicidae family is staggering. Approximately 10,000 distinct species of ants have been identified and documented. This incredible biodiversity reflects millions of years of adaptation, specialization, and the development of unique ecological niches across the globe. What defines an ant is its inherently social nature. These insects live together in highly organized colonies, a foundational characteristic noted across entomological research. This communal living is not merely coexistence, but a complex, interdependent system. Within these colonies, ants exhibit a high and complex social system. This intricate structure is characterized by distinct castes, each with specialized roles, allowing for a remarkable division of labor. This collective efficiency is key to their survival and dominance. The journey of every ant unfolds through a remarkable metamorphosis, a life cycle comprising 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and finally, the adult. This entire process typically takes between 6 to 10 weeks to complete, culminating in an adult ant ready to fulfill its colony role. An ant's life commences as an egg, a minuscule, soft, oval, and transparent form. Measuring only about 0.5 millimeters, it is, as ASU's Ask a Biologist describes, roughly the size of a period at the end of a sentence. These eggs are often sticky, allowing them to be easily grouped and managed by workers. Not every egg is destined to hatch. In a pragmatic display of colony resource allocation, some eggs are deliberately consumed by nestmates. This provides essential extra nourishment, particularly for developing larvae and the queen, ensuring the overall health and survival of the colony, a practice noted by Ask a Biologist. A critical distinction in ant development concerns unfertilized eggs. These eggs invariably develop into male ants. This biological mechanism ensures the propagation of the colony while maintaining the balance of reproductive roles within the intricate social structure. Upon hatching, the egg transitions into a soft, grub-like larva. This is primarily a stage of intense feeding and rapid growth. Lacking legs, the larvae are entirely dependent on worker ants for care, feeding, and transport within the nest. The survival of the larvae is a collective effort. Worker ants meticulously tend to these vulnerable young, providing them with regurgitated food and moving them to optimal temperature zones within the nest. This dedicated care ensures the next generation's health and successful development. After sufficient growth, the larva enters the pupal stage. During this transformative period, the ant undergoes metamorphosis, reorganizing its body into the adult form. Many ant species encase themselves in a protective cocoon, though some pupae remain uncovered. Within the pupal casing, the ant's adult features develop. This is a period of vulnerability, where temperature and humidity must be carefully regulated by worker ants. The successful completion of this stage is crucial for the emergence of a fully formed, functional member of the colony. The final stage culminates in the adult ant's emergence. Breaking free from its pupal skin, the newly formed ant is initially soft and light-colored, but quickly hardens and darkens. The entire life cycle, from egg to adult, typically spans 6 to 10 weeks, as reported by Earthkind. The ant colony operates on a clearly defined caste system, where an individual's biology dictates its role. The 3 primary castes are the queen, the sterile female workers, and the males. Each caste possesses unique physiological characteristics and responsibilities crucial to the colony's survival. The male ant occupies the shortest and arguably most singular existence within the colony.
Its primary, if not sole, purpose is to breed with female ants. After this reproductive function, male ants typically live only a few weeks before dying, as observed by AZ animals.
Worker ants are sterile females, forming the numerical backbone of the colony. They are the most abundant caste, performing a myriad of tasks essential for the colony's maintenance and growth. Their lives are dedicated entirely to the collective, as Animalwise notes. From sunrise to sunset, worker ants engage in diverse and tireless activities. They are the colony's foragers, seeking out food and resources. They also meticulously maintain the nest, defend against threats, and tenderly care for the eggs, larvae, and pupae, ensuring the next generation's survival. The longevity of worker ants shows considerable variation, depending significantly on the specific species and environmental conditions. Their lifespans can range from a mere 30 days to a couple of years, a broad spectrum reflecting the diverse challenges and adaptations across ant species, according to blog.entomologist.net. Even within the vulnerable world of insects, some ants exhibit surprising longevity. A common black garden ant worker, for instance, typically lives between 310 and 430 days. Remarkably, a record lifespan of up to 1,129 days has been observed, challenging perceptions of short insect lives.
The environment plays a critical role in an ant's lifespan.
Under ideal laboratory conditions, providing sufficient food, stable temperatures, and protection from predators, worker ants' lifespans can be significantly extended. This contrasts sharply with the challenges faced in the wild, as noted by blog.entomologist.net. The queen ant is the undisputed heart of any colony. As its founder, her singular purpose is to lay eggs, ceaselessly producing the offspring that will form the colony's workers, males, and future queens. Her life is dedicated entirely to reproduction, a central tenet confirmed by sources like Ants Wiki and Harvard Forest. Perhaps the most astonishing aspect of ant life is the queen's potential longevity. While worker ants live for months or a few years, queen ants can reign for decades. Western harvester ant queens, for example, have been studied in the wild with estimated lifespans reaching an incredible 14 to 30 years. In controlled laboratory settings, the lifespan of queen black garden ants has pushed even further, with observations recording them living up to an extraordinary 28.75 years. This challenges traditional notions of insect lifespans, highlighting their remarkable biological resilience, as reported by AZ Animals. It is important to note that lifespan estimates can vary between sources, reflecting differences in species studied, environmental conditions, and research methodologies. While some sources highlight queens living for decades, Pest Defense Ltd provides a more generalized estimate of up to 15 years for queens and around 7 years for worker ants. The queen's extensive lifespan is directly linked to her monumental reproductive output. A single queen ant possesses the capacity to produce millions of ants during her lifetime. This sheer volume of offspring ensures the sustained growth, resilience, and success of her colony, as noted by the Natural History Museum in NYC. As the sun rises, the ant colony transitions from a state of rest to one of bustling activity. Worker ants emerge from their underground homes, ready to embark on the day's tasks. This synchronized awakening marks the beginning of another rigorous cycle of labor for the colony, as described by Everything Ants. The immediate and paramount task for emerging worker ants is the relentless search for food. They fan out from the nest, following intricate pheromone trails, driven by the collective need to gather resources that will sustain the entire colony. Every morsel found contributes to the community's survival. Ants possess a sophisticated system of chemical communication. Throughout its life, an ant's skin emits specific chemicals of life that signal its vitality to its nestmates. This intricate biochemical identity prevents healthy individuals from being mistakenly identified as dead or diseased, as revealed by National Geographic. When an ant dies, these vital chemicals of life begin to fade. The absence of these specific signals alerts other workers to the deceased state of their nestmate. Consequently, the body is promptly evicted from the nest, a crucial hygienic practice that prevents disease and maintains colony health, as National Geographic documents. Beyond foraging, ants are remarkable practitioners of agriculture. Many species, particularly leafcutter ants, are expert farmers, cultivating elaborate fungus gardens deep within their nests. They harvest plant material not for direct consumption, but to feed these fungi, which serve as their primary food source.
Ants are also formidable warriors, both in defending their colonies and in their predatory pursuits.
They protect their nests and resources from rival ant colonies, larger insects, and other threats, often deploying potent venoms or overwhelming numbers.
Their hunting strategies are equally diverse and efficient.
The architectural prowess of ants is astonishing. They are masterful builders, excavating vast, intricate subterranean networks of tunnels and chambers. These elaborate structures provide shelter, regulate temperature and humidity, and organize the colony's functions, from nurseries to food storage. Some ant species, notably the army ants, exhibit unique behavioral phases.
During their nomad phase, entire colonies are in constant motion, traveling all day.
This continuous movement allows them to deplete new foraging grounds and hunt effectively, as outlined by pestworld.org. The nomadic existence of army ants is punctuated by stationary phases. During these periods, the colony establishes a temporary nest, often a living structure formed by the ants themselves called a bivouac. This phase is crucial for the queen to lay eggs and for larvae to develop, before the colony embarks on another nomadic journey.
Ants demonstrate remarkable adaptability in their choice of residence.
Research by Professor Caitlin Mathis has highlighted instances where an entire colony of ants can establish and thrive within something as small as an acorn.
This showcases their ability to utilize microenvironments efficiently.
Ants exemplify unity and profound selflessness, especially when facing threats. A striking example, shared via social media, recounted dozens of ants clinging to life within an open water bottle, a testament to their collective will to survive and support one another in a crisis. Despite their vast numbers and intricate social systems, ants navigate a perilous existence. It is truly a bug-eat-bug world where they are constantly vulnerable to a host of predators, disease, and environmental hazards. Every day is a battle for survival.
To mitigate the constant dangers, ants rely heavily on their subterranean nests.
These underground complexes provide a crucial sanctuary, offering protection from predators, extreme weather, and other external threats. The hidden chambers ensure the safety of the queen and developing brood.
In a truly counterintuitive discovery, some parasites can actually extend an ant's life. The tapeworm Anomatinea brevis, if contracted by Temnothorax nilanderi ants as larvae, triples their lifespan.
This fascinating phenomenon challenges our understanding of host-parasite relationships, as reported by Science Alert.
Ants are not merely inhabitants but active engineers of their environments.
By constantly excavating tunnels and moving soil, they significantly aerate the earth, improve water infiltration, and contribute to nutrient cycling. Their work profoundly impacts soil health and structure, making them vital ecological engineers. To truly grasp their ecological significance, consider their overwhelming numbers. Estimates from insect lore suggest that at any given moment, there are anywhere from 10 quadrillion to 100 quadrillion individual ants alive on Earth. This sheer abundance underscores their pervasive influence across biomes. Ants form fascinating mutualistic relationships with various plant species. They may protect plants from herbivores, act as pollinators, or aid in seed dispersal. In return, plants often provide ants with nectar, shelter, or specialized food bodies, highlighting a complex web of ecological interdependence. As ectothermic insects, ants are highly sensitive to temperature fluctuations. This sensitivity makes them excellent bioindicators of environmental health. Their distribution and population dynamics provide valuable insights into the impact of urbanization and broader global climate change, as noted by the Encyclopedia of the Anthropocene.
Our understanding of ants stretches back through geological time. Fossil amber offers extraordinary windows into the past, revealing the secret lives of Cretaceous ants.
Discoveries include a stem ant preserved mid-feeding, providing direct evidence of their ancient ecological roles, as detailed in Frontiers research. the extensive research into ant life continually challenges our assumptions. As Professor Caitlin Mathis of Clark U News aptly states, ants are more complicated than people think. This sentiment encapsulates the investigative journey, revealing layer after layer of unexpected complexity in their world. Too often, the lives of ants are dismissed or overlooked, seen merely as pests rather than vital components of our natural world. However, as articulated on Medium, it's crucial to assign value to these small creatures and their profound, often unseen, contributions to the planet's intricate web of life.
Thanks to advancements in ultra-realistic macro photography and cinematic lighting, we are now able to delve deeper than ever before into this hidden micro-world.
These visual techniques allow us to appreciate the astonishing details and complex interactions that define ant life, bringing their empires into sharp focus.
The life of an ant, from the ephemeral existence of a male to the decades-long reign of a queen, is a powerful testament to resilience and adaptation. Against constant threats, these creatures have evolved ingenious strategies for survival, demonstrating an enduring capacity to thrive in almost any environment. This investigative journey into the ant world reveals a masterclass in miniature complexity. From sophisticated chemical communication and advanced agriculture to robust defense systems and hierarchical social structures, their societies operate with an efficiency and collective intelligence that continues to astound scientists. The lives of ants, though often tiny and unseen, are undeniably vibrant, complex, and integral to the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. They are a constant, living reminder that immense importance can reside in the smallest forms, shaping our world in ways we are only just beginning to fully comprehend.